Good morning, everyone. Pineapple Land here, Niagara Tropics. Hope you're well. Brand new load of palms. Very excited to have these palms coming in this year once again. Here we are, May 2026. All your orders have now arrived. I'm going to be walking the property a little bit, showing you what we bring in, and we'll go from there. But some really strong specimens. Good variety this year, actually. We have some magnolias, everything down to windmills, of course, very popular. Crepe myrtles, we'll see it as we go along. But here are your orders. Come and get them. Hit me up. Let's get this thing going. Lots of deliveries, lots of shipments. Carolyn, we got yours. These are some 15-gallon windmills right here. As you can see, nice size pots there, up into the 30-gallon windmills. Some awesome new growth. Look at the beautiful color on these right here. Absolutely stunning. Of course, these are always the best grown palms. They just love Niagara. They love our southern Ontario climate. Some more 30-gallon windmills right here, all tagged, ready to go. Come and get them. I know you're waiting for yours. So here we have some more here. Dan, that's yours right there. We've got some 7-gallon needles, some orders put aside. We also have some sable minors, the smaller variety, more Bracken's brown magnolias, fig tree, Chicago hardy, very nice. Even this, these guys are just starting to grow the figs, as you can see. Musa bajus, a big order of those coming in. We've got some agaves going off to Vancouver. We've got different size needle palms right here. We've got crepe myrtles, the purple magics. A lot of fun those are. Beautiful, beautiful trees. And we've got some two gorgeous 30-gallon European fan palms. Yeah, these are going to Burlington, Ontario, to Lorraine. I think you have the two, right? So these are yours right here. Absolutely stunning. Some of them are even growing some seeds, as you can see underneath. So you'll be nicely surprised that you might have some even more offshoots as time moves on here. So great specimens there. Over here we have some mule palms, more Bracken's brown, magnolia celerin, magnolia grandifloras, beautiful fragrant flowers. Off to this corner of property here we have lots of Musa bajus. Some of them have been allocated already and shipped off, but we are doing our best to get these out to you as soon as possible. And of course we have more of the 15-gallon Bracken's brown magnolias right here. Brought in some stunning Yucca rostradas, 30-gallon, just starting to form a trunk. Beautiful big heavy pots. Very nice trees or you know, southwestern style plantations, and of course with some agaves. Terrific for, you know, a nice rock garden, what have you. So as we move on, here's my little waggy, and my waggy here is actually growing a nice little seed pod. So this one is came back from the dead. So happy to have it coming back here for you. Over on this side, we have some crepe myrtles, we have some oleander, we have some yucca hesperalo, some red yuccas, some more crepe myrtles, some seedlings, hardy pink oleander, red rooster crepe myrtles in the 15 gallons. We have some 7-gallon purple magics, more red roosters. These are the popular ones, guys, you know, for our zones. Got some 15-gallon purple magics, zunis, list goes on and on and on. So we're very pleased with the stock this year. Very hardy specimens. And over here in the driveway in the front, we have some 30-gallon Bracken brown, nice 30-gallon Pinto palm right here. That one's all tagged, ready to go. And of course, some 45-gallon windmills ready to set sail into the Niagara region. These mule palms are absolutely beautiful. 30-gallon mule palms. These suckers are going off to BC. So anyways, a bit of a lengthy video because we have a lot of trees and we want to make sure that they get to their respective homes. Thank you very much for your orders and tagging them, and I know you'll be pleased.